Hello friends, today we will be doing present perfect tense. Okay, so first of all we will understand the structure of present perfect tense. Subject, then has or have, with the third form of verb, main verb. You remember it? Main verb and the object. Has is used with singular subject and have is used with plural subject. Now see the uses of this tense. With the actions, have just completed. For example, I have just posted a video. Okay, she has just completed her work. Now second use, with past actions. It is also used with the past actions which are continuous in present. He has cut his thumb. Okay. Next rule, with the actions which started in past and still continue. Remember, it has effects. Its effect continues. Okay, and it still continues in present. Because how do we differentiate? Because with this we use for or since. I have lived in this house since 1990. He has taught maths in this school for 5 years. Next, also with the past actions which ended in past, but the time when is unknown. For example, have you gone to USA? Time is not explained. Has she ever read the Arabian Nights? Next, with this present perfect tense, we never use past time expressing words like we cannot say I have seen him last year. Instead, so this is wrong. Okay, what would we say? I saw him last year. Okay, so the expressions like last week, the other day, last month, yesterday, ago. Okay, so with etc., with these we do not use present perfect tense. Okay, but there are adverbial phrases, you can say adverbs, okay, which we use with present perfect tense. Let's see what are they. Ever, always, occasionally, several times, often, just, recently, since, far, since, for. Okay, during the last few weeks, we cannot say last week, but we can say during the last few weeks. Now see example. She has come here recently. She hasn't arrived yet. Okay, we cannot say she did not go yet, he came recently. Okay, तो इनके साथ हम लोग past tense नहीं यूज करते. Now the next is the use of for or for and since. Now for is used before indefinite or uncertain period of time. Okay, now let's see first uses of for. Numeral adjectives plus minutes, hours, days, weeks, okay, months, years, decades, centuries, okay. For example, for 2 hours, for 2 hours, for 2 centuries. Okay, now whenever we have to use, we are doing only the use of for now. For, remember, a or an as per the pronunciation of vowel word. For example, for a minute, but for an hour, for a day, for a decade, for a month, for a long period. Okay, same this we have used for a or an also we can use, but remember with an we have to use only are. Okay, next, it can be for a long period, a long time, forever, for a while, for a moment. Similarly, we can use, third use of for is with the last or past. Okay, again for the, again numeral adjectives is there. And what are numeral adjectives? Minutes, for 2 minutes, for the last few hours, for the last 2 minutes, for the past 4 days. Okay. Next, we have use with the name of seasons. Okay, now remember, we do not take season. The word season should be used. We cannot say for spring. No, it will be for 2 seasons. Okay, for hours, for months. I think this much is clear. Now, whenever we have period of time plus ago, okay, we do not use for. Instead, we use since. See examples. His sister has been ill for 5 days. This is right. Okay, but if we say his sister has been ill since 5 days, it is wrong. But if I say his sister has been ill for 5 days ago, then for is wrong. Then for is wrong. What should we use instead? His sister has been ill since 5 days ago. Why? Because 5 days ago is not the period of time, but it's a moment of time. That's why we are using since. Next, for is not used with all and period of time. For all day, wrong. It is completely wrong. But if we say only all day, it has been raining all day, then it is right. Okay, now this is very important, which I am going to discuss. For generally means tak ya ke liye. Okay, so this is also used with simple present, simple past or simple future tense. Now see example. Bimal waited for me for 2 hours. Okay, so which tense it is? It is simple past. Okay, my sister will be in Delhi, in New Delhi for next 5 days. So it is future tense. And the last one, she attends computer class for 2 hours every day. Now, next we are left only with the use of since. Okay, it is used before definite period of time, or definite point of time. So since is used before name of days, months, name of the years, 1990, 1980, name of the parts of the day, for example morning, afternoon, exact time like o'clock, since 5 o'clock, since 5 a.m., since 5 p.m., with yesterday, since yesterday. Now which we had forgotten there, which we had left there, we will be using them now. Since last night, last week, since last week, last month, last year. Okay, now with the name of seasons, in for we had done for 2 seasons, but with since spring, since winter. Okay, with the name of festivals, since Deepavali, with the name of events. Okay, for example since his departure, since her marriage. Okay, since stage of one's life. What are the stages? Adulthood, youth. For example, since her youth. Okay, since his childhood. Now the next one is, if we are using last with since, then again same will be there, it will remain. Since last Monday, since Monday last, since March last, you can write. Okay, since last midnight. So these all will be there with the use of last also. Okay, now see what is the difference. When we say since last week, means a point of time about 7 days, a point of time about 7 days. But when we say for the last week, it shows the period of 7 days just completed. Okay, so thank you, practice this. I hope you have understood the concept of present perfect tense. Have a nice day.